How do you get rid of dark circles under your eyes? I'm going to explore that now with you. I'm Dr. Michael Cutler at SDIM and Spa in Poway, California, near San Diego, and we have some great treatments for that. I get that all the time. Doctor, under my eyes I see these dark circles. Well, first of all, it depends on the lighting, but you know, when you look at your skin and you've got these dark skin coloration there, it just makes the shadowing there even worse. So it looks like you're tired or aging. And there's a way to correct that. Let me give you some tips. Now, there are some creams, and many of you know how to cover it up with concealer or with foundation. But there's a way to actually heal the skin there. And I'm going to talk about it. It's a regenerative fluid that comes from your own blood. You may have heard of platelet-rich fibrin matrix, or PRF, all right? Some of you may say, I want to get filler in there. Filler's not my favorite treatment, but I love to do it because it gives immediate results. But filler there over the years may not be such a great idea. So many of my younger clients are wanting a natural and a much longer lasting result to heal that skin, all right? So let's take away the creams and then say, how do we heal the tissue itself? All right, I'm going to explain. Your blood has in it something called platelet-rich plasma. And when that is obtained by drawing your blood and then a slow spin down without any anticoagulant or barriers, you're getting the pure platelet-rich matrix. And so it has platelets in it, and it will actually start to form a semi-solid form. This is what dentists have used for decades to help prepare the bony jaw for dental implants. But now in the aesthetics world, we can take your blood and do a slow spin down for almost 10 minutes, draw off the yellow fluid, which is rich in proteins that stimulate new cell growth, new vessels, new tissue, collagen, etc. And I can inject it with a cannula right under the eye in that tissue area. So what does it feel like? It's virtually painless to have it done, but you have to be prepared for 2 days where it's a bit puffy, and after about 2, almost 3 days till it recedes, then now it's going to work at causing your body to react to those proteins, stimulating new cells and new tissue growth in there, so that the skin underneath the skin and the skin surface itself goes through a bit of a transformation, getting new color that you want to have. The new color is the newer, fresh skin that you want to have there. And it thickens up that skin too. It doesn't just change the color, it helps fill in the deficit and helps heal the skin. So there's nothing you need to do to prepare for this appointment. It's generally done in 30 to 45 minutes. There's no pain really involved. I do place a little topical numbing cream there, but really it's placed, the cannula is a blunt tip, and it's placed through the skin and it's put into position, and then after I obtain the fluid, I push it through there. You have this puffy look. So you have about 2 or 3 days where you may look a little bit swollen under your eyes. And then you say, well, when does it really have its full effect? Well, I like to say the full effect is more like after the second or after the third treatment, but it's about a 6 to 8 weeks of healing. And then you want to repeat that. And you say, well, how long is it going to last? I would say after the third treatment, you can expect a good 2 years out of this, because it's causing new tissue. And then in time, your genetics will start to reverse back to your normal production of skin in the way it was before. But at least you have a way to naturally heal it. So that's my best and favorite treatment for the dark circles under the eyes, to help regenerate not only the skin, but the deficit, the troughing, where the shadowing occurs. It makes it difficult for many of you who use makeup. It gets dark there, and this reverses it in a natural way. Now, I've made other videos too I want you to watch about PRF, platelet-rich fibrin, and where I can place it. I can use it into the scalp to help regenerate hair. I use it also around the lower face to help tighten up the skin in preparation for pedio thread lift procedure. And it can be used also in conjunction with the PRP microneedling. Many of you know it as the vampire facial technique. So hopefully you can subscribe to this channel, but like the video if you like it, and we'll see you in my next videos.